Hello there, welcome back to ICT Technocrats, and today we will be talking about web development. So let's get started. So, what is web development? Web development is the process of creating interactive web pages on the internet. Now, in web development, there's a line between the part of the website that interacts with the user and the part of the website that handles user data. Now, the part of the website that interacts with the user is known as the front end. Take, for example, this Facebook login form. The login form is an example of the front end of Facebook. Now, the back end is the part of the website that handles user data. Example, passwords, usernames, things like that. Yeah. Now, the languages that are used for front end development, like JavaScript and HTML, and also CSS, which is really good for designing. And just like in front end, the language is good for back end, like Python, and languages like Objective-C, also PHP, which is mostly used for accessing databases. Now let's click deep and talk about the three most used front-end languages. Let's start with HTML. So HTML is a language that's used to manage create the structure of website. Let's say, for example, you're on a date, right? And then on that date, the structure of your date is basically the HTML of your date. They could be tall, short, chubby, things like that. Now, the CSS of your date is basically how they dress, what makes them look good. And CSS is used to make websites look good. Last but not least is JavaScript. Now, JavaScript is a language that basically gives functionality and life to a website. Like, let's apply to the date. How does your date behave? Do they talk a lot? Are they quiet? Are they an introvert? So like JavaScript just basically gives life to the website and gives it functionality, like how it behaves when certain events happen, like what happens when you click a button, or what happens if you tap that. Now let's talk a bit about the back end. So let's say when you log into Facebook with your username and password. Once you log in, all the data about you, who you follow, what you like, what you comment to, all that data is stored in the back end. So that even when you log out, that data will still be there. In languages like SQL, PHP, Python, and C# I used to manage all that data. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you next time.